Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to start the first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. Students, do you have idea about the numbers? Okay, in the previous standard, I mean 5th standard, already have learned that number systems. Okay, but students, today we are going to discuss about that what are the numbers. In that previous 5th standard, you have studied that international system, Indian systems. Yes, what is the place value chart, what are the periods. Okay, but students, today we are going to discuss about the different types of numbers. What are the different numbers are there? We will discuss about that numbers, about that specially in this chapter. Okay, so first of all, let us discuss about that first. What is the natural number? Do you know that what is the natural number? Yes, students, whenever you are in class time, whenever the teachers were taking the attendance, or whenever your students you are taking that how many benches are there, how many students are there in the presence in the classes. So that time what you are doing? You are doing that counting. You are starting from 1, 2, 3 like this. Yes, how many fingers are there? If suppose I will ask to you, how many fingers are there in your hand? Okay, then what you are doing? You will start that counting first of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, now you will start like that 5, 7, 6 like that. Can you count? No. So how many, if numbers we are asking that quantity, you are doing that starting from 1. Yes, so whenever we are using that counting from starting from 1 and up to infinite, that is called as the natural numbers. Okay students, so let us see, natural number is called as also counting number. Natural number also called as counting number, because whenever you are using the numbers for the counting, that is also called as a counting number. So natural numbers generally we are using as a counting, so that's why natural number also called as a, what is that? Counting numbers. Okay, so see students, here I have written the definitions, you can write and remember also. The numbers 1, 2, 3 like dot means up to infinite, either maybe it is 4 or 5 or 6 or something like that. Okay, so okay students, so now it is the write down the definition first of all. The number 1, 2, 3 dot means up to infinite, or dot means maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6, maybe 7, maybe 10, maybe 100, up to infinite. So okay, so are called natural numbers. Okay, these are also called counting numbers. I explained to you students, these are also called counting number because these numbers we are using for the counting. कितना बेंचेस है तुम्हारा क्लास में, क्या करना है? बेंच काउंट करना है. जो रिजल्ट आएगा वही नेचुरल नंबर है. कितना फिंगर है, कितना स्टूडेंट है, हम क्या करते हैं? काउंट करते हैं. 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं और काउंटिंग बढ़ाते हैं. तो जो रिजल्ट आएगा वही, जो नंबर आएगा वही, उसको बोलते हैं हम क्या है? नेचुरल नंबर. वो जो रिजल्ट आता है उसको एक नेचुरल नंबर बोलता है. These are also called counting number because we are counting. It is represented by n. ये जो नेचुरल नंबर है, how we are representing, which symbolically how can we represent? In the higher class whenever we will study, there we won't write that natural number, just they will write n. That means you have to understand this is a natural number. And I have written that sets theory with the n is equal to 1, 2, 3 means this is a set of natural numbers. These are all set of natural number. उसको बोलते हैं 1 भी नेचुरल नंबर, 2 भी एक नेचुरल नंबर, 3 भी एक नेचुरल नंबर, 4 भी एक नेचुरल नंबर, up to infinite. ठीक है. Next, different another one types of number that is called as whole numbers. This is another one type that is called as a whole numbers. The natural numbers along with zero are called whole numbers. Students, already we have studied that about that natural number. Natural number means that all positive numbers. Generally, you should remember all positive numbers. Okay. But what is that whole numbers? Now all the natural numbers along with including zero. That means along with zero, that is called as whole number. That means all natural numbers are also whole numbers, and with that what is that? Zero also adding. Okay, adding with zero. The natural numbers along with zero are called whole number. That means zero plus again natural numbers like that. Okay, zero and natural numbers, all are called as whole numbers. That means all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay, it is represented by W. How like it is represented by N, capital letter, same like we have to understand it is represented by W. W means whole numbers. W stands for whole, N stands for natural. So it is represented by W. Just short it will be in mathematics, it will represent symbolically W. Okay. How like in our chemical in the science, okay, potassium K, sodium Na, yes, magnesium Mg. Same like in mathematics, whole number means W. Symbolically we have to stand. W is equal to how like sets you have to write it 0, 1, 2, 3. These all are a group of or the set of whole numbers. Okay, and it all are represented by W. Next friends, we will discuss now. Did you understand? आपको समझे क्या? What is that natural number and what is that the whole numbers? Okay, now we will discuss about that. What is the digits? Friends, in Hindu Arabic system of writing numbers, whenever we are writing any numbers, I will say 11,545. This is called as Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, whenever you are writing this, you are using how many symbols? 10 symbols. कितना symbol? 10 symbols or 10 figures we are using. क्या क्या है वो? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1 to 9 and 0. This total 10 symbols or 10 figures we are using to write an Hindu Arabic system. Hindu Arabic system means what is that? We are writing how like 100, 125. Suppose I will write 125. 125. That means we are using 3 symbols. What are the 3 figures? 1, 2 and 5. These are the 3 figures. So like this, how many in English? How many alphabets are there? 26 alphabets there. Using these 26 alphabets, you are writing novel, we are writing question answer, we are writing essay, we are reading also so many things. Whatever the English words, stanza or paragraphs, whatever that we are using these 26 English letters. Yes, same like students, when we are writing the numbers, whenever we are writing the Hindu Arabic numbers, at that time what we are doing, these 10 symbols or 10 figures we are using to write it. Okay, so what are the 10 figures? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 10 figures we are using. Okay. Next, numerals. What is by numerals? Now, a single digit or a group of digits denoting a number is called numerals. So, when I told you this is suppose 125. This is numerals. Write in numerals. In your question sheet will come write in numerals. Numerals means what is that? Now numbers which we have to write. Okay. These are all the digits we have to write like this and will number will form. This is called as a numerals. What is this? Now it is 125. 125 is one numerals. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. What are the digits in that numerals? Now 1, 2 and 5. These are 3 digits are there. Yes or no? What are the figures? Or 1, 2 and 5 are the digits or figures. But what is the numerals? Now numerals means what is that? 125. Whenever we are writing as like this is called as numerals. Okay. So a single digit. Also I will say 7. 7 is one digit. Also one numerals. Okay. So now one digit numerals this is. What is the definition? A single digit or a group of digits denoting a number is called numerals. A group of digits, this is a 3 digits are there. If I write 7, 8 like this, a group of digits, 5 digits are there. Yes or no? So a group of digits or single digit or a group of digits, whatever that we are writing that one numbers, that is called as a numerals. For example, 7, 347, 4089. These are the using the digits and forming one number that is called as a numeral. Okay? Now the process of writing a number in digits or figures is called notation. Do you know students, in that last classes you have studied that notations and how to use that comma also and how to reading also, in what is the place value and a face value and what is the international system, what is the Indian systems. Already you have studied. That is the notation. Notation means what you have the difference. You have to using that how like you are writing the numbers. Suppose I will write one 235. Suppose this is or writing systems. Okay, so I have written comma here this notation and the 2235. Yes, so this is called as a notation. How to write that? What is the process? Next, numeration. Numeration means what is that? How like the numerals means like that numeration. Numeration means reverse. That means writing words. Short form you can say numeral will write in words, that is called as numerations. Okay, whatever the number given to you, that if you write in words. Okay, suppose I have written here, friends, I will write here what is that? What is that number? Now this is now numeral, and what is the number name? 20. So what I have told, words you have to write. Now I will write it 20. This is called as numeration. What is that? Numeration. This is numeration. Suppose I will write it 125. So I have to write 125. 25. So like this, if I will words with this number, we will write. This is called as a numeration. So suppose 2 TW 25 till 25. If this is the writing words. Okay, so this is called as about the numeration. So okay students, I hope you have understand about that the first day of the mathematics of that your first chapter, knowing our numbers. Okay, in that upcoming chapter videos you have to watch every day and you have to write that class work. Whatever that work I am sending or giving, that same day you have to note in your class work and read it. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.